today, if you look at a tender, there is no standard written for say a motor. So you're free to use any kind of standard, you need a 4006 number motor. It could be, non-standard, it could be IS61, nothing. So what I'm saying is, for each component, there are enough expertise in the industry to help the defense say that for each component, these are the compliance standards which should be there. Anybody complying to this gets whitelisted.
Got it. And how is it currently? There is no standard.
There is no standard on component level. That is the status today. See, it was in the drone space specifically when you say. Till now, everybody was in a thing of drone udna chahiye.
उतनी हाइट पे उड़ना चाहिए, इतना पेलोड लेना चाहिए, स्टैंडर्ड्स कंपोनेंट्स लेवल स्टैंडर्ड्स की कोई बात ही नहीं है.
बात नहीं था.
समझ गए.
तो now it's realizing they are, after certain incidents which have happened, which all of us know.
So this is what happens when non-technical people do tendering for defense and other things, no?
Even technical people are bound by the rules and regulations, and the L1 is the biggest noose around it.
L1 is one aspect which is of, see, like for example, now okay, we are one of those unique companies because of certain volume of scale in some other businesses. We are able to offer our products at equivalent import prices as compared to Chinese. Despite because of the fact that we operate across multiple industries, so there is a kind of the components cost reduces. Whereas, like for example, and that's because I'm operating electronics, I'm using kind of the similar process in your smartphone and all that, so it's easy. Whereas if you take a motor manufacturer, that motor is very specific to that type of craft. Now today the volumes don't exist in India to justify, to be able to offer it at import paid pricing. So that's where L1 becomes hard. In my perspective and interaction with some of the people within the procurement, especially DDP, they are coming out with a system where they are going to be giving an indigenization rank for different products. So a higher indigenization rank, so anything above 60-65% according to the matrix once evaluated, you would be able to get a certain concession on L1, meaning L1 plus 20%, L1 plus 30%. So even up to that level. So supposing somebody quotes 20 lakhs, and so it's quite, they are coming out with things, but again the pace, speed at which things happen, like for example, cybersecurity frameworks are the need of the hour. It has been under discussion for some time now. I am hopeful it should come out soon.